In today's video, we will write essay My Aim in Life. My aim in life is to become a doctor. I want to help sick and poor people. I study hard to achieve my goal. I respect all doctors for their hard work. I want to serve my country. I will work hard to make my dream come true. Doctors play an important role in society. They work day and night for their patients. I will treat them with kindness and care. I pay special attention to science subjects.